things that you need come at just the right speed. That's logistics. Saving time, cutting stress when you use UPS. That's logistics.
Well, we continue to do some good things. We're trying to play hard. We're sharing the basketball well. We have to make less turnovers, but we did a good job considering our head wasn't there. Alex Abreu, we played with our body and then played our young kids as our head, and they continue to improve. And I think, obviously we have to get better in our half-court defense. It's very misleading because we're getting beat off the dribble, but our two big guys are cleaning up the mess with shot blocking. So we have to continue to improve. To play at the highest level, we have to play better defense than that. Good?